What's going on, guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to go over the winners from our MattBangsWood Christmas. We have 7 days of giveaways, 7 awesome prize packs, 7 lucky winners. So first off, I want to thank everybody that was involved in this, my wife, all of our awesome sponsors for making this all happen. We had a ton of awesome prizes getting given away, and if you guys want to check out the sponsors, they are all down in the description below. Alright guys, before we go any farther, I do want to make an announcement. We just got channel memberships live on our channel. That means that little button right down there that says join, you can click that, pay $4.99 a month. You'll have access to member-only live streams, which I plan on doing every other Sunday or so, where we talk about building along with anything else. Photo and video that will be posted on the community tab for only members to see. This could be anything from behind the scenes shots to stuff I don't put into the videos. Now along with that, this channel membership will get you videos before they're posted publicly. That means you can get that first comment on every video. It's only $4.99 a month. If you guys want to, hit that join button down below, or you can go to our channel and hit join there. Let's get back to the video though. So for day one, we had the Ego Power Plus inverter. Love that thing, use it all the time. Some Weehaw snippers, the Bosch bits, small little level, and a couple other things. The winner for day one, DeJumpman23100. The comment that was picked said, just had to get a few entries in, I really like how you've given back. We have a new young buck in our crew that could really use that level. This giveaway had the, 7 or 10 inch Sola magnetic torpedo. Spot on. Day two was a cool one. Day two was Unilight like crazy. You get a pair of Everboots, you get the brand new Unilight setup, little carrying case for everything as well. This is a cool prize pack. Day two's winner, the Fireman 85. The comment that was randomly selected said, I wouldn't mind trying out some black Everboots for station house boots for the fire department. Also interested in seeing his Unilights and seeing how they would do on a fire scene for investigation and overhaul. Would love all these things. Congratulations, buddy. So day three was the 24-inch Sola level and the coffee box along with a Panella hat. These coffee boxes are awesome. You guys are going to love it. The winner of day three goes by the name of Brian, sorry if I butcher your last name, Gilreath. The comment that was randomly selected said 36 cups of framing fuel. Apparently I have 36 K-cups to give to you. Congratulations, buddy. You got yourself a brand new coffee maker along with some other swag. Day four. This was a good one. So as you guys know, I have very few partnerships. I don't partner with a group of people. I have very few. I am partnered currently with Skillsaw. Cut Hub, I'm currently doing some testing for. That's the big cut station that I've got. Diamondback Tool Belts has hooked me up with all of my tool belt needs for just about a year now. Now day four's prize pack, you're getting hooked up with all the Diamondback stuff along with your choice of Everboots boots. Now the winner of day four, congratulations, Mike Young. The comment that was randomly selected from Mike Young said, free Diamondback stuff is worth looking like a fool on the internet for. Apparently it was. It paid out. Congratulations, Mike. Day five. Day five was a fun one. I don't own one of these, but I need to buy one soon. Day five, you're getting hooked up with the Sola level, 30-foot keys and tape measure, Skillsaw Buzzkill reciprocating saw. The thing is a tank, and your choice of Everboots. That's a good prize pack. You are completely ready to tear anything that's out of plumb apart, plumb it back up the right way, with your brand new boots. The winner of day five, Todd Carpenter. The comment that was randomly selected said, we are all anxious to see a clip of Quentin and his new Miata. Please don't make us wait too long. Backstory on this. Quentin told me that he was getting a Mazda Miata, a black 93 with a soft top. Unfortunately, the deal fell through and Quentin never got a Mazda Miata. Although I really wanted him to, and I really wanted to teach him how to drive a 5-speed because he doesn't know how to, it didn't happen. Maybe I'll buy him a Miata. Day 6 was a pretty cool giveaway. Day 6 was another coffee maker. So we'll snap this back wall first. You're getting the coffee box from Ox Beyond Rugged. You're getting 36 cups of Workhorse coffee along with the Unilight inspection light. That light is bright. You also get the Ox tumbler and the Panella hat, so you guys are going to get to represent in style. Now the winner for day 6, Ryan Russo. The comment that was randomly selected said, my buddies know I've been watching a lot of framing/carpentry videos and I was cutting plywood for a roof today. He saw me mark a board with an arrow like you do and said, you've been watching too many YouTube videos. Laughing my ass off. Thanks, Matt. Congratulations, buddy. Keep marking that way. That's the only way to mark. Now you can mark with a cup of coffee in one hand and an inspection light in the other. Day 7. I have $500 cash. Granted, it's not going to be cash when you get it. This is probably the only prize that's going to ship out prior to December 31st as well, because for the rest of the month, I'm kind of going to take it easy. I will be Venmoing or PayPaling the winner of Day 7 pretty much as soon as they get in touch with me. Day 7 hit close to home. I've been broke on Christmas. I've been broke on all sorts of holidays, and it's never fun. Day 7, I teamed up with a company called Max Takeoffs to give you $250 cash. Max Takeoffs is a company that does material takeoff on any construction project that you've got. They did material takeoff on a project that we just bid, 8,000 square foot down south in Los Angeles area. Unfortunately, we didn't get the project, but I got to see firsthand what their material takeoff was like. Color coordinated, telling you what goes where they're utilizing this. It's beautiful. Max Takeoffs will guarantee their material takeoff, and I will tell you myself, I'd put money on it that their takeoff is 10 times better than mine. They put up $250 cash to hook one of you guys up this December. My wife, my kids, and myself wanted to help you guys out as well. So we decided to match their $250 and make it $500 cash. Now on top of that, years ago I got my first skill saw from my pops. Super sentimental gift. I still have the thing, use it all the time. And that was like the beginning stages of me being a carpenter. So Day 7 consists of $500 cash, brand new skill saw, 7 1/4, the same exact saw that I got for Christmas years back, along with some accessories for your saw. You'll have a rip guide, you've got some skill saw lube that I've never used, along with a couple of blades. This prize pack was by far the coolest in my opinion. The winner of Day 7, $500 cash, skill saw, all the goodies, goes by the name of Alex Gomez. Congratulations, buddy. My camera battery just died. I had to swap it out. The comment that was randomly selected for Alex Gomez said, "Good luck, everyone. I hope that whoever wins this uses it well." I hope you use it well. Congratulations, buddy. You just won yourself $500 cash, a skill saw 7 1/4, along with some accessories for it. You're set. Merry Christmas. So now that all 7 winners have been picked, here's how you get in touch with me. So for the 7 winners that were just announced, here's what I need you to do. Your comment has been pinned on the video that you won. I need you to go back on that video and respond to the comment that you posted originally with your email address. I know this sounds ridiculous, but from there I can check your YouTube about and see when the channel was created, along with all the other info that I need. I have done giveaways in the past, and I have had people try to make fake accounts with the same profile picture to mimic the person that won, just to where they can get a prize shipped to them instead. This world is full of greedy people, and I refuse to let that happen. Therefore, I do have a little bit of a verification process to make sure that the gift goes to the right person. Because the last thing I want to do is send $500 cash to someone that doesn't need it. Go back to the video that you won on, find the pinned comment, it'll be right there at the top, respond to it with your email address for me to get in touch with you. I'll email you, get all your info for shipping, and get your prize out to you. Keep in mind that these prizes will not be shipping out in December. I do plan on getting the $500 cash to Alex Gomez, winner of Day 7, as soon as possible, as soon as this video is live if you'd like to. That way he can get set up for Christmas. That is it for 7 days of MattBangsWood Christmas, the first annual. Next year we're going big, you guys. It's going to be fun. This year was over $3,000 in prizes. I could not be happier. Thank you to all the sponsors that were involved. Thank you to my wife for helping organize all this. That is all we got time for, guys. If you enjoyed this video, along with all others, hit that subscribe button down below. Show some support. Join our channel memberships. I will see you guys in our next video. Bang on.